Since the last update, which was around this area over here, we were calling for this double bottom breakout. It came and we came down and tested this area as support. But during that day, we actually fell all the way back down beneath our low of the range, coming all the way to the price of 7 cents. Now, if you remember from those following updates, we said there was a nasty wick rejection, but as it was above the moving averages and the neckline, this is actually totally fine. And it's more of a trap for you guys looking to sell, because if we are to actually turn this into support, as I was saying in the last Hbar update, we need to reject it at first. We got the rejection, then we push through, and we're now confirming at support, following exactly everything that we have been predicting. If you want to learn how to read the charts and predict the movements exactly like me, so you won't get caught off guard, because we're always preparing for both scenarios and you just simply take the one that is shown, use the links in the description, follow me to the website. There are multiple things in place, like an ebook, a course, one-to-one mentorship plan. I've also got a Discord community, which I think is one of the best ways of learning, as well as the one-to-one mentorship plan. You can get 2 months free in there with the mentorship, and you do get the course with the one-to-ones. So you just decide how many hours you want to do with me. You can just join the community for £20 or $25. More information on the website. Now, what we're anticipating is continuation to our target. However, when we do get to the target, we can see it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. So we do anticipate actually continuing through eventually, and then of course coming back to the previous shoulders of the head and shoulders pattern, because the head is usually a fake out, and we can confirm this because when we created the left shoulder here, we had a nasty wick rejection finding support, and we can see this has been acting as our low. We do have a level just slightly beneath, so we marked that out as well. So when we did get this nasty red candle, we anticipate further continuation lower. But as there was another level of support here, it gave us a bullish candlestick pattern that reclaimed this level eventually the following days, again losing it after confirming this bearish cross. So then you assume we're going down and putting in a new low. But as I was further updating you guys, as I do always, I didn't see any loss of any lows, so I maintained my bullish bias, and we saw the complete turnaround. While all these other I can't even say what I want to say, but all these other YouTubers were calling for lower, we were maintaining the bias that while we are above the 200 EMA, we will form this double bottom. That should be our bottom, because price action and this correction is all above our uptrend, which is the 200 EMA. So this correction is bullish. We're looking for bullish indications to flip us bullish, and we've spotted very early on this bullish candlestick pattern followed by the chart pattern, the double bottom, and also reclaiming the moving averages and Fibonacci's, and that's everything you need to do to invalidate further downside, unlike what everyone else was calling for. Now all of those levels have been reclaimed, and we have invalidated the downside while we are currently above these levels. The golden pocket here, 7.5 cent. We are looking for continuation to 8.75 cent on the reclaim of that, the break of this 10 cent high, eventually resulting in a move that will take Hbar to the price of 22 cent, because as we can see over here, this is our range high. This was set February 2023. Once we break out of the range, it's to the next high over here, and just slightly before that point there is a lot of support, and this also so happens to be the golden pocket. So we would be targeting a 20 to 22 cent Hbar, giving us a total move from today's current price, totally free here on the channel, of 175%. Guys, this might take a long period of time, but of course it's a lot of gains. If you want to make this sort of gains or even more in the same amount of time, join the community, because we've got over 25-30 cryptos in there that are constantly moving. Where there's days where the larger caps might not move, these are constantly moving. Understand there's a higher level of risk when we do have dumps. They do actually go down a lot more, but we have of course a balance in our portfolio. If you want to find out more about that, join using the links down below. I'll catch you in the community. Support us as creators over here, and you also have access to a lot of my students that have become six-figures traders and starting out with less than 10k. They're all in there sharing their ideas and opportunities. Yeah, just come and join us for more content. Cheers.